A game is played using one die. If the die is rolled and shows 1, the player wins $1. If 2, the player wins $2. If 3, the player wins $3. If the die shows 4, 5, or 6, the player wins nothing. If there is a charge of $1.25 to play the game, what is the game's expected value, and is the game profitable for the player in the long run? So there is a charge of $1.25. So right at the beginning, we have negative 1.25 because that is the charge. So if it lands on 1, we win $1, and there's a 1/6 probability of it landing on 1. So we want to multiply those two. And then we want to add, if it lands on 2, we win $2, and the probability that it lands on 2 is 1/6. If it lands on 3, we win $3, and the probability of it landing on 3 is 1/6. If it lands on 4, we don't win anything. So that's going to be $0, and the probability of it landing on 4 is 1/6. If it lands on 5, we win $0. And finally, if it lands on 6, we win $0. So if you type this all into the calculator, then you should get negative 0.25. So this is the long-term average per game. So on average, you are losing 25 cents per game. So no, this is not profitable for the player in the long run.